Please leave a message.
Hey Carrick, it's Ian. We're headed towards Sonoma Library, and I'm assuming you mean the one in Sonoma town, right? So that's where we're headed. We're not going to be there for 30 minutes. So we'll see you at 10:15. Okay. Bye. Alright, so we're going to Sonoma to meet Carrick. I have to drop off the memory card that he gave me with all the footage on it.
Come on! Don't leave him hanging.
Don't leave him hanging.
Oh, you're lame. You got lame kids. Come on. Hey, can he do it? Can he do it? Come on. Yeah, he does it. All right. 50-50 on the lame kids. Take care.
Bye. Guys, look at Carrick's cool car. Cool race car.
Oh, if you're looking for a cool place to take your kids, there's a nice place on the square, Basque.
Yeah.
It's a bakery, and they got some really nice tasty bread over there. You got these nice bread cheese sticks. Go ahead and check it out.
A race car. That's a super cool car. It's a race car, huh? Is that like Lightning McQueen?
The people, it's on you.
Alright, where are we going, guys?
Bakery.
Alright, we're going to the bakery, Basque Boulangerie Bakery, or Basque Boulangerie Cafe in Sonoma, California. That was a recommendation by Carrick. Alright guys, hold on. Let's go over to the park. I'm it. The Easter egg cookie and this oval cookie here. And then also coffee, cream and sugar. Yep. What do we order, Rafa? A cheese sandwich. A croque madame. Croque madame.
Madame is lady in French.
Should I have ordered a cookie?
Yeah.
Why? Whoa, that's cool.
Pickle. You can't give one to Papa because he wants some. This one's hard. That one's hard. Thanks. Okay, this one's for. Yum.
Big bite or small bite?
Tiny bite.
Tiny bite? Oh, tiny. want you to tell me, what did you guys think of the bakery?
It was good. Cookie.
Yeah, it was good.
The cookies.
Awesome. There you have it. Bakery was good. Basque Boulangerie Cafe. Excuse me, may I have a ticket to the movie, please?